my role just involves managing the two cars and the car crews, and also take lead on the pit stop crew. So everything from the training sessions to practicing the stops at the workshop. You know, I make sure the guys have got all the equipment, tooling, and information they need to do their jobs correctly, and make sure that we get to the racetrack with perfectly prepared cars. We've got about 3 mechanics per car, a couple of apprentices, one full-time person back at the workshop who manages our sub-assembly, myself, and then 2 tyre techs. And then we've got our engineering division as well. It's one of the best relationships you could have, really, with a tool sponsor like that. They give you all the tools you need to be able to run 2 cars competitively, and anything you can dream of, they supply it, because you know they work in such a vast industry, you know, automotive, and aviation. So you know, if there's a tool that we need to make our lives easier, so we can do a change faster, I'm sure Snap-on have it. It's always a good reward, and that just reminds everyone why we do this sport. You know, we're here to win, but not only that, we want to dominate. We want to be the championship winners. We want to be the championship leaders. You know, and that's just a small step towards doing that. So it's a combination of, you know, getting those wins once in a while, but also then competitively always being up the front and making sure that, you know, you're getting the results, so you can really be punching it with the guys that have been doing this for a long time.